Hi everyone, Sunday chutti, Monday we are back to work, and today we are going to be listing out few home remedies which many of us know, but sometimes we don't do it in the right proportion. So these home remedies are for preventing cold and cough, barish everywhere. So how to prevent cold and cough, right? And the second thing, by the end of the session, maybe 6-7 minutes session, we'll be letting you know about a powder that you can add to your chai so that you are away from cold and cough most of the times. Now, first and foremost, what moms are doing right now with barish and everything is they are collecting all their medicines and everything. But if you do these remedies all day or maybe all throughout the year, you may not require cold and cough the next season. You may not require cold syrups the next season, right? So the first and foremost comes is amba haldi. If you know जिंजर, जैसा जिंजर दिखता है ऐसा हल्दी का रूट होता है, राइट, विच इज कॉल्ड एज अम्बा हल्दी इन मुंबई. नाउ this haldi root should be boiled in water. Say if you take around 1.5 cup of water, just boil one root for quite some time. It will change the color. The water color would be changed from clear to yellow and then to orange and then to red. That is the time you have to switch off the gas, strain the water, keep it in a bottle and give this syrup to your child 2-3 times a day and you are sorted. You won't really get that cold cough, right? The second is the most common one, but slight mistake we tend to do in this is the most common one is doodh haldi, right? But what happens is many a times doodh will create more mucus for a lot of people. So what you have to do is cut down the quantity of milk. The milk quantity should not be more than 50 ml. Okay, add amba haldi. If you don't have amba haldi, then you add powdered haldi that you have. Okay, now add amba haldi and simmer the milk. तो आप 1 cup दूध ले रहे हो, simmer it till it becomes half. End result should be only 50 ml of milk, not much. Okay, and more quantity of the haldi. Give this again 2 times a day and again you are sorted. Now any mom would do all these remedies for the kids, right? In your chai, for the moms and for the dads, in your chai add pepper and add dalchini ka powder, or you add the dalchini ka stick itself and then simmer and then you have it. You also can stay away from cold and cough. The fourth one is ginger ka slices. You don't have to take very thick slices. You have to peel it very thin, like with a peeler. Peel the ginger and take very thin slices, add kala namak over it, keep it in a small dabba. Okay, and whenever you feel sore throat or you're not able to gulp down things, take this ginger slices in your mouth and keep chewing them, and it really helps a lot. Okay, the fifth is when your kids are going to school, classes or whatsoever, fill their bottles, not the plastic ones, fill their thermos bottle or steel bottles with hot water. By the time they reach school or something, the water would be warm, so pura din they can actually sip on warm water, which again would help. Now the more soups you take, the more warm feeling you have, the more it works also for your weight loss and for your cold and cough. Then comes take more egg whites, take more dry fruits, take more chicken, take more lean fish. Okay, and not in a fried manner but low on oil cooking, and again it would help for your cough and your weight loss. Then comes black tea, green tea, whatever you take, add a little bit of honey, and black tea will actually taste very good with honey and lemon added to it. So again that can replace your normal tea coffee. It will add lot of flavor to the tea coffee plus help you with weight loss and cold and cough. Then comes the last and not the least, this chai powder. I'm sure many moms should make this chai powder because I'm very sure they would not do home remedies very frequently for themselves, right? So what you have to do is take a tablespoon of सौंफ. Okay, fennel seeds, सौंफ हमारे घर में normal जो होते हैं, दालचीनी का एक stick, okay, 1/2 inch 1 inch stick. Then take pipli. Pipli is easily available across all Ayurvedic stores. Now if you don't get pipli, it's okay. If you get it, nothing like it. Okay, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt powder. Salt is dry ginger ka powder. ठीक है. Then add lot of elaichi to it, maybe 2-3. Okay, and 1 small piece of amba haldi, right? Roast all this on a tawa, separately. Okay, let it cool down and then grind it finely to a powder. Whenever you're making chai or green tea or anything, if you're giving the milk to your child, put this 1 teaspoon of powder. Okay, let it simmer and then strain and then make your chai. I'm sure you would be able to keep cold, cough, flu, everything at bay. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow again 1 noon, and we are talking tomorrow about how to get your blood pressure down. Bye.